So to begin with 28th question, we find integration of cos x, denominator root of 1 plus sin x. I hope easily can guess it here. Sin x derivative is cos x. Along with sin x, even one constant term can be taken here. We find 1 plus sin x is equal to t. We are left with cos x with respect to x equal to dt. We have integration of 1 upon root t with respect to t. So we are left with t raised to minus half. So we have t raised to minus half plus 1. Denominator we have 1 by 2 plus c. We find 2 t raised to half. This is minus. I hope you can see this. Minus half plus 1. So 1 minus half is plus half. Okay, here we have balanced it. We have 2 comes in numerator. T raised to simplify plus 1 by 2 plus c. Replace t, we find 1 plus sin x raised to 1 by 2 plus c. Coefficient 2 should be the answer for 28th question. 29th question. This question has occurred twice or thrice, might be for 2 or 3 marks question in the board exam. So please mark it over the important question. So in this, see differentiation of cot, if we'll say this is put, then differentiation of cot is minus cosecant square, which is not available. If I'll go for put sin x is equal to t, what is differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Cos is available. So, cot we have. Cot can be taken as cos by sin. You can imagine. Cos by sin. So, cos x with respect to x is okay. But what exactly we are left out? We are left out with log t. Denominator ಇನ್ನೊಂದು sign ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Log t, denominator t. Again division, which is not possible. So put sin x is equal to t. To some extent I can balance, but will not work out for integration. So cot x we have tried, not possible. Sin x we have tried, not possible. Let's go for this composite function. What is the difference? Log sin x is equal to t na consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Log sin x is equal to t ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, differentiation of log sin x is 1 by sin x into differentiation of cos sin x is cos x. That means we are left with cos by sin, which is nothing but cot x. So log sin x is f of x, whose derivative is available here. So hagidre judgment, that's what I'm saying here. You need to have a glance on the given question. I'm not teaching how to solve 29, how to solve 28, how to solve 25 or 32. I'm teaching right now integration, how to do integration. Maybe it's partial method, partial fraction method, maybe it's substitution method, maybe standard function, and so on. Integration kali refers to. We need not to put here restriction for this method. No as such. 29 question hige hagalla. Integration first, that process you have to understand. So definitely can think about here substitution. You can give a chance for substitution here. So put log sin x is equal to t. We're left out with 1 by sin x with respect to cos x. Differentiation here on the chain rule is equal to dt by dx. So we are left out with cot x, cos by sin. Cot x with respect to x is equal to dt. So what exactly we're left out then? R is equal to, we are left out with integration of, this is t. The left out part dt. So we have integration of t with respect to t is equal to, I should say, t square by 2. Integration is done. T square by 2 plus c. T replace it back. We find log sin x whole square by 2 plus c should be the answer for 29th question. Important question. 30th question. Very well you can guess it. Sin x upon 1 plus cos x. So you can take a chance for 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Differentiation minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So sin x with respect to x is minus dt. So we have integration of minus dt denominator, I should say t. Minus taken common, we have integration of 1 by t, which will fulfill the requirement of standard formula. So we have minus log mod t plus c minus log mod of t, replaced it back. We have 1 plus cos x plus c. Okay, minus I have not accepted here, and that's why I have taken the reciprocal of this, but not compulsory. Or option I'm giving here, it's log one denominator reciprocal, and therefore this minus has been taken out. So we have one denominator, 1 plus cos x plus c should be the answer. Okay. So under substitution I'm claiming here, but very well when I find 1 plus cos x, even I would have thought of multiplied by 1 minus cos x and balance it by 1 minus cos x also. So OR method, that's what I said. You can think about substitution also, but this result will definitely give one more hint. Normally when we say rationalize, in PUC first year also such questions, you are multiplied by 1 minus cos x and you are try to prove LHS to RHS. So if I'll think about this, we are left out with sin x, denominator 1 plus cos x. I multiplied by 1 minus cos and balanced with the same. So let's see what happens here. If the terms are reduced to a function which is ready to integrate, it's well and good. Otherwise, come back with substitution. So here we left out with sin x into 1 minus cos x. Denominator we find 1 minus cos square, which will give us sin square. One sine function gets eliminated. So we are left out with 1 minus cos x by a single sin x I mean. So this will give us 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. And we are left out with 1 by sin x is cosec x. Integration of cosec x is available. Formula list we have added minus it is cot x. Integration of cot x is also available. Integration of cosec x minus integration of cot x is also available because formulas are available with us. So integration of cosec x, you know it very well. What's the formula? It is log mod of cosec x minus cot x minus kept as it is. What's integration of cot x? It is log mod of sin x plus c. So even this is also the correct answer. Okay, this is also correct answer. Now again, whereas I am claiming here, ಈ ಎರಡು terms ಒಂದೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. These two terms are actually one and the only one. Okay, now how to convince you? So for this I think, but for exam, for this solution part, we need not to conclude this answer only. This can be the answer. You can stop it here because integration is completed. This is the answer, no doubt about this. But just to convince you, let me simplify this term and show you. This term can be taken as, we find, this term we write now, log mod of cosec x minus we have cot x minus we find log mod of sin x, isn't it? So constant term exists, no doubt. Okay. So this is nothing but I should say it is log m minus log n, which can be taken as log m by n. So definitely I would like to shrink here for the log term, and I should say it is log. Within a mod sign I can take it as cosec x minus cot x. Denominator I should say we have sin x. Log m by n. So cosec can be again primary function. I can go for trigonometry here. So cosec can be taken as 1 by sine minus cot can be taken as cos by sine. So here we have cos x. Denominator LCM is sin x. Okay. Denominators again if I transfer it, I find it to be sin square x. So this term can be taken as log mod of, here sin square x can be still simplified as of the basic formula I should say. Sin square theta is equal to, we find 1 minus cos square theta, and therefore I should take it as 1 minus cos square x within a mod. So this will give us numerator kept as it is. Denominator we find a square minus b square. So we find 1 minus cos x, and I should say it is 1 plus cos x. Okay. So 1 minus cos x gets eliminated. We are left out with log mod of 1 denominator 1 plus cos x should be the answer, which we have accepted here. So these two terms are one and the only one. But it depends whether you are claiming it for substitution or you had rationalized or you have balanced in trigonometry. You have taken trigonometric terms and then you are reduced for cosec and as well as cot. Madhya minus is there. Therefore, integration of this is possible. Integration of this is possible. So both the method, that's why I said, see the function and then you think about whether I can go for trigonometry. Can I take a chance for this? Or differentiation of cos is available here. So I can think about substitution. This is a better option. This is the best option, no doubt. Wherever substitution is there, you can claim it. That's a better and the best option because the substitution, with the proper substitution, will definitely reduce the steps. Let's move on for 31st question. Here we find sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. Now here definitely I would not like to go for a chance of multiplying by 1 minus cos x. E question madongi like an power square idu nodi. Here I will not go for this method which I just now justified. Helta idnala. E method nalli chance togolalla because power is 2. Even if you want to balance it, it's not done. In trigonometry also it's not done. So only option I find here is it is cos derivative is minus sine. This derivative. So this derivative along with 1 plus cos x is equal to t. We are left out with minus sin x dt by dx. Okay, to get balanced. We are left out with integration of minus dt upon t square. So we have t raised to minus 2 to be integrated, minus being outside, we have minus t raised to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 gets minus sign gets eliminated. We have t raised to minus 1 plus c, 1 upon here t, replace it back. We have 1 upon 1 plus cos x plus c should be the answer for 31st question. Okay. Next I had taken 32 followed by I had taken 34th question right now, but 32, 33 they are quite important. 3 marks repeatedly those questions have occurred. At the next page I had taken, but before I go for those questions, let me go for 34th question. Integration of root tan x, denominator sin x into cos x. Okay, so here tan can be taken as sin by cos, but I cannot. We can take a chance, you can simplify it, rough nodi. We cannot balance it here, and therefore the ultimate option what you find here is denominator is sin there. I can convert this sin in terms of tan. That is denominator sin. I have balanced, I have divided by cos, sin x, divided by cos x, multiplied by cos x, and this cos x is kept as it is. So in denominator multiplied by cos x and balance it by cos x. Okay, so to fulfill or to make the function available for f dash of x upon f of x function, to make it eligible for integration. So multiply by cos and balance it by cos. Now whatever I divided here, this will make the function tan x. This is cos x into cos x, cos square x. Now this is root tan x, denominator tan x, root x by x, we know it very well, it is 1 by root x. So the whole term is 1 by root tan x, cos square 1 by cos square, numerator it is secant square x. So this was the actual required term. Differentiation of this is available here. Differentiation of tan is secant square. So what we have done? Multiply by cos, balance by cos. Then balancing what we have done? Sin by cos will occur as tan. Left out cos into cos, we have cos square. This term is tan, which can be still simplified as denominator root tan x, 1 by cos square. I can never accept 1 by cos square as it is. I need to drag it in numerator as secant square, because for integration secant square is going to benefit us, or whenever tan occurs I would like to have its derivative as secant square. So finally at this stage let me claim here, put only tan x is equal to t, secant square x with respect to x is dt. So we are left out with integration of 1 by root t. So we have t raised to minus half. We are left out with t raised to, okay, integration is done, minus half plus 1 is plus half, denominator half plus c, 2 reciprocal, half it implies root. So we have root of t replaced back, tan x plus c should be the answer. That's the 34th question on answer. 32, next question I taken 32, and yeah, please mark it over there. 32, 33, these are important for 3 marks. Please mark it and write it over there. You have to practice, because in 4 questions alli yavadu root 1 upon 1 minus cot x, then followed by we have root 1 upon 1 minus cot x, this question. Then followed by we have root of 1 upon 1 minus tan x, and followed by with respect to x, and one more question we have root 1 upon 1 plus tan x. In 4 question alli repeatedly every year, these 4 questions what we right now I am giving here, these out of these 4 questions, one question normally yavaglu exam bartane ide for 3 marks. So important question, these 4 questions hook or crook you have to practice. Okay, so please mark it in your notes also, and 3 marks sure question for you for exam. So let's move on for the first question here. It's integration of 1 upon 1 plus cot x, cot to be taken as cos by sin. Now go for LCM. LCM is going to give a sin balanced, and denominator has been taken numerator, so that we are left out with integration of sin x, denominator sin x, LCM prakara, sin x plus cos x. Now at this stage, a small modification which I should call it as 5-star step. Need to remember. Okay, that is multiply by 2 and balance it by 2. Remember this step. That's why I'm asking you to mark it here. So multiply by 2 and balance it by 2, so that in numerator I should have 2 sin x. Now what next? This is a 5-star step. Half kept as it is, 2 sin x alli I can split the term. They are as good as 2 apple. 2 apples can be taken as 1 apple plus 1 more apple. So similar 2 sin x can be taken as 1 sin x and plus 1 more sin x. And now my requirement is nodi ee poorthi function inna I would like to go for f dash of x upon f of x term. And for that, sin x is here. We have right now we have plus cos x was required. So what I have done? Here 2 sin x intra, it is sin x taken. Okay, plus cos x. I am adding it now. Right now, add and balance by subtraction. Add cos x minus cos x. Another sin x taken here. Modification. One more modification. I repeat, cot x, cos by sin, go for LCM, sin comes to numerator, denominator we have sin x plus cos x. Plus cos x na ille tagobodittu. Hagenadru nanu plus cos x na ille tagondbitidre minus cos x I need to balance. Okay. For that minus cos x, again I have to add sin x, again I have to balance. For again left out, I have to add, I have to subtract, again I have to add, subtract. The procedure will be continued. We don't have an end for that. To stop that one, what we have done, sin x again multiply by 2 and balance it by 2. Constant term. First modification. Followed by sin x considered, add cos x, whatever it says denominator. Add cos x, balance minus cos x plus and the sin x. Now here, sin x plus cos x again, one may divide martira. Half. Take a bracket because you're splitting now. Split ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ and while splitting plus ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So ಇದು half ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This half to be considered for second half also. So take a bracket. I'm warning you. Take a bracket. Integration of sin x plus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x, which is going to eliminate as 1. Second half part plus sin x minus cos x. Denominator we have sin x plus cos x. Integration to be done. So multiply by 2 followed by add cos, balance, subtract cos, then split the term. When you do this modification, one the term yavaglu cancel agutte, one more term will be left out. This is integration of 1. One more term is left out. This is always to be claimed for substitution. This is always differentiation of sine is cos, differentiation of cos is minus sine, minus common tondre. Definitely this term is going to be f dash upon f of x form. Yeah. So simplified 1, we are left with half bracket, integration of 1 with respect to x plus this step I have kept it as it is. Now put denominator is equal to t. Differentiation cos x, differentiation minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So here we find minus common I have taken to fulfill the numerator requirement. We are left out with minus cos x plus sin x to dt by dx. So sin x minus cos x with respect to x is minus dt. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ put ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I is equal to, we have 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is integration done. X with respect to x ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So okay, one more thing you need to remember. First half part of integral is done with respect to x. Integration is done with respect to x. Second half part integration is done with a new variable t. Because we are claiming only for second half part substitution method. So first part with respect to x, therefore it is x plus its integration of this term minus dt, denominator t. So we have x by 2. Okay, this is x by 2. What about the integration here? Minus sign outside, half multiplied, we have log mod t plus c. So x by 2 minus half log, this t is replaced back, mod of sin x plus cos x plus c should be the answer. Correct? Fine. So I hope this is clear. Similarly, you can try for 1 upon 1 minus cot x. You can try for 1 upon 1 minus tan x. You can try for 1 upon 1 plus tan x also. All amongst the 4 questions, definitely I'm telling you, I'm warning you, definitely one question should and must occur for 3 marks in the board exam. ಇದು ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಿಂತ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2-3 ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ. So here we have integration of 1 upon 1 minus tan x I had taken, followed by, let's apply the same rule. What should be done? Tell me, what should be done? Tan to be taken as sine by cos. Next, cos will act as LCM, balance, cos x, denominator cos x minus sin x. Very good. Next step, what I said, take 5-star step. What is that? Multiply by 2 and balance it by 2, which I have to write here. Okay? Then what the best we can do here? One cos x na itkolna, one cos x na barkota ideni, hage minus sin x is my requirement. Denominator term ge fulfill ago hage tagotevi. So minus sin x tagondaga ಒಮ್ಮೆ subtract ಮಾಡಿ add ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿ subtract ಮಾಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ minus sin x, balance plus sin x. Another cos x left out here. I hope it's clear. This is 5-star step. Multiplying by 2 and balancing, followed by splitting of 2 cos x as cos plus cos, but denominator minus sign ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು minus ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು plus ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. Now split the term. ಇದು ಒಂದು term ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೊಂದು term ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So splitting will be done, and once again remember, take a bracket. Yeah. So here we find integration of cos x minus sin x, denominator cos x minus sin x split, plus integration of sin x plus cos x, denominator we have cos x minus sin x. Split the term. Bracket completes here. Now this part will get eliminated. ಇದು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ sin x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ 1. And here I would like to claim for, put denominator is equal to t. Differentiation of cos minus sin. Differentiation of minus sin x minus cos. Take minus common. We have sin x plus cos x with respect to x as dt. So put on the second half part claim on. We are left out with r is equal to, we find 1 by 2 bracket. Its integration of the term gets eliminated. 1. Integration of 1 with respect to x. Plus its integration of minus dt, denominator t. What next? The conclusion part should be I is equal to, it's 1 by 2, integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus log mod t plus c. T, put the value back, we are left out with 1 by 2, or even you can take it as x by 2 minus half log mod of, you can take it as cos x minus sin x mod complete, okay, plus c, where half is multiplied to term by term, can be the answer. Okay, so this we had done it for 1 upon 1 minus tan x. Earlier I had done it for 1 upon 1 plus cot x. Now even you can think about 1 upon 1 minus cot x. You can even try for 1 upon 1 plus tan x. Nodi ee question ulkontu madlikke. But definitely amongst the 4 question, 1 question we can expect for 3 marks for board exam. So next question. Yeah, okay, I think I have taken 1 upon 1 minus cot x also here. This is simply I have taken question. Number korta illa because textbook number we are following. So I am just giving it as extra question. And this question is homework for you. 1 upon 1 plus tan x. So tell me what best we can do here. Yeah, to be taken as cos x by sin x. Take LCM, sin x, denominator sin x minus cos x. 5-star step. What is that? Multiply by 2, balance it by 2. Next, sin x barkotira, denominator minus cos x ಇದೆ. So minus cos x and plus cos x. Plus sin x kept as it is. So denominator split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದೀನಿ terms ಅನ್ನ. And next step I find here 1 by 2, take a bracket, we have the term gets eliminated, integration of 1 with respect to x. Second half part we have integration of the terms kept as it is. Put denominator is equal to t, everything gets simplified for dt, everything is balanced here. Minus does not make a difference here. Everything, all the terms are getting balanced with the plus sign only. So finally I should say, please check out the steps. We are left with I is equal to 1 by 2. Integration of 1 with respect to t plus its integration of 1 by t with respect to t plus then only. So we are left with 1 by 2. Integration is done with respect to x. So answer is x plus log mod t. So here we find x by 2 plus half log mod of substitution sin x minus cos x t, replace it back, plus c should be the answer. I hope the terms are clear. Now integration of 1 upon 1 plus tan x is homework part for you. Don't take an excuse, solve this question. Maybe this question is a worked example in your textbook also. This question in your textbook worked example kuda ide nodi. Try for that question. Okay, and during doubt session I'll be asking for the solution part of this. Everyone you of them need to answer for this question with the proper steps. What I have given here, no, with the proper steps. Next, let's come back to the textbook question, 35th question. It's integration of 1 plus log x whole square, denominator x. Very well you can guess, log derivative is 1 by x. So log na tolbekare constant term jate togotira. We have 1 plus log x equal to t. We have 1 by x with respect to x. So we are left with the integration of t square. We have t cube by 3. So we have 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c should be 35th question answer. 36th one, quite interesting. X, see, differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So x plus 1, denominator x, will multiply the x has to be either divided to this term or for this. It cannot be taken for term by term. Plus ittu antantandre it will act as an LCM term by term. Into irodrinda, I should divide it for this term or I should divide it for this term. So I have taken divide by this, which I have taken, mention it here, x plus 1 upon x into, I have taken the term. Now this term is going to x by x, you'll know x by x plus 1 by x. Now this will act as an LCM. X by x plus 1 by x, okay. X gets eliminated, we are left with 1 plus 1 by x. So this term is 1 plus 1 by x. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So this term derivative is available here. So which I need to modify. So with all the modification, now let's claim here, put x plus log x is equal to t. We find 1 plus 1 by x with respect to x dt. So that we are left out with integration of t square, which will give us the formula. And therefore we are left out with t raised to 3, denominator 3. Put the t value back. We have x plus log x. It is x plus log x whole cube whole divided by 3 plus c should be the answer for 36th question. Okay. Next we find 37th question. Quite interesting. Integration of x cube into sine tan inverse x raised to 4 whole divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. Tan inverse x raised to 4 derivative is available here. Okay, sine derivative is cos, not available. This derivative mele, no, not possible. Okay, 8 x raised to 7, not possible. Sine is available, tan inverse is available, so we don't have the chance. This term derivative is reciprocal. Tan inverse derivative is 1 upon and will be reciprocal, so we can take a chance for this. So with all observation, you find here tan inverse x raised to 4 is t. We are left out with differentiation, chain rule. 1 upon 1 plus x square, x raised to 4 whole square. What is differentiation of x square? D by dx of tan inverse, differentiation of tan inverse x. I find 1 upon 1 plus x square. X idre x square agutalva. Hagidre x raised to 4 idre x raised to 4 whole square. Into chain rule ಹೇಳ್ತದ d by differentiation of d by dx of x raised to 4. 4x cube. 4x cube. So differentiation is done. It's called dt by dx. So we are in need of x cube denominator 4. Okay, the same step I mentioned here. 4x cube denominator 1 plus x raised to 8. But my requirement is x cube here. So x cube I retain. Denominator 1 plus x raised to 8. This whole term. With respect to x, I am claiming it for 1 by 4 times of dt. So if we are left out with I is equal to, it's 1 by 4 integration of sine t. Integration of sine t. The rest all term is derivative along with the coefficient 1 by 4. So here we find integration process can be done. We find minus 1 by 4 cos t plus c. We have minus 1 by 4 cos tan inverse x raised to 4 plus c should be the answer. Practice this question. Okay. 38th question, very well you can guess it. Nodi, x raised to 10 is there. Differentiation 10 x raised to 9. 10 raised to x is there. Differentiation d by dx 10 raised to x into log 10. Ise gottagutte. Put denominator is equal to t. Numerator differentiation 10x raised to 9. Differentiation of a raised to x iddanಗಿದೆ. A raised to x. 10 raised to x log a log 10. Respect to x is dt. So we are left with integration of dt denominator t. Log mod t. So therefore we have the answer. Log mod of x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x plus c should be the answer. 39th question. Integration of dx. Okay, integration of 1 upon sin square x into cos square x. So numerator nodi sin square ಇದೆ cos square ಇದೆ, numerator nothing is there means 1 is there. Sin square cos square ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 can be taken as numerator 1 can be taken as sin square x plus cos square x. Denominator sin square x into cos square. Let's go for term by term division. Term by term division. I splitted the term with plus sin square x upon this plus cos square x upon this term. Sin square gets eliminated. We are left with 1 by cos square, something special, 1 by cos square, secant square. We are happy to see this in integration process. Cos square gets eliminated, we find 1 by sin square, this is cosecant square. Happy to see this term for integration. So integration of secant square, tan x minus integration of cosecant square is minus cot x plus c should be the answer. Okay. So this is one option. Or what is sin square x cos square x jotige even I find sin x cos x. Whenever I find sin x cos x, the question I taken it as whole square. Whenever I find sin x cos x, I always think about our submultiple formula sin 2x by 2. Okay, repeatedly I'll be asking in inverse trigonometry also given this result. In differentiation also you might have used it. Okay, followed by in PUC first year also we have highlighted this formula. Okay, so sin x cos x ನೋಡಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು sin 2x by 2. ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲೇ ಬಿಡಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ sin 2x by 2 whole square. 2 square comes in numerator as 4. Integration of cosecant square under 1 by sin square ನೋಡಿ. It's cosecant square 2x, and definitely integration under cosecant square we are happy. So what's the answer? Here cosecant square. This can be taken as minus cot 2x. Denominator coefficient is 2 plus c. Integration can be done here also. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we are left with minus 2 cot 2x plus c is also the answer. This is also correct. Even this is also correct. Now again you can ask me the question, madam ee answer ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Okay, amongst the option I think this is the answer given. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, cot 2x can be taken as cos 2x by sin 2x. No, I repeat, if you only for rough work let me speak about this relation. That is, we are actually left out with minus 2 cot 2x. So this can be taken as minus 2. We have cos 2x. Denominator we find sin 2x. So minus 2 kept as it is. Cos 2x can be taken as cos square x minus sin square x. Isn't it? Denominator sin 2x can be taken as 2 sin x cos x. So 2 gets eliminated, and here minus can be very well balanced because we have a whole term here. Isn't it? So minus vada hakomitre, we are left out with plus sin square x. Here we have minus cos square x. Denominator can be taken for individual. We have sin x cos x. Denominator I can take it as sin x into cos x. So sin term gets eliminated, cos term gets eliminated. We are left out with sin by cos as tan x minus this is cot x. Okay, should be the answer. So which I tried it here. It is tan x minus cot x. Constant term as it is. So both these terms are one and the only one. But which method you approach for integration depends. Here I have taken 1 and try to split the term as sin square plus cos square. There is no doubt of sin x cos x can be taken as sin 2x by 2 whole square. And then I try to balance here. This also accepted. But amongst the option if you have to choose, then split maadi ante answer ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. According to splitting, you would have taken splitting of the term. This method would have been benefited us. Otherwise, compact answer ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, amongst the option which will fulfill this requirement, that you can take it. So both the option, that's why I'm teaching for integration. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲ. How to do integration, how to various methods which we have. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? That technique you have to learn for the integration process. Okay, so this completes your 7.2 exercise. Few more questions in doubt session we can discuss on substitution method, but all the textbook questions you need to solve. Okay. In next video, let me continue with the next part, that is the next concept of integration, that is using trigonometric formulas, using trigonometric identities, how to integrate the given function. Okay. In next video, let me continue. Thank you.